Welcome to Karma Auto Group, Duluth's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great small sedan in our collection. A pre-owned 2015 Cadillac XTS. This Cadillac is powered by all-wheel drive V6 engine, automatic transmission, and has manual. Elevate your drive with this stylish 2015 Cadillac XTS. Experience luxury at an unbeatable price. With sleek design, spacious interior, and advanced features, this pre-owned gem combines performance with sophistication. Don't miss out, schedule a test drive today. This pre-owned XTS comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with leather seats, remote start, keyless entry, power windows, power locks, power seats, power driver's seat, heated steering wheel, heated rear seats, push-button start, alloy wheels, climate control, cooled seats. To keep you entertained, this Cadillac XTS is equipped with touchscreen, Bluetooth, voice-activated audio, navigation. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, ESC, traction control, forward collision warning, tire pressure monitoring system, backup camera, ABS brakes, park assist, daytime running light, parking sensors. Scan the QR code, visit our website for more information, availability, and pricing. Great quality at a great price. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.